Hello and welcome to another video. This is Mohammed Bakri from Community of Babel, and today we are going to go through the numbers from 1 to 10 in Standard Arabic with the pronunciation in Standard Arabic. So the first one, the first letter is one is واحد, واحد, okay? It's واحد with ha, okay? And there's something funny is that if you come to an Arab country, we actually, in most countries, it's not written like this, but it's written just a vertical line. So we are going to write all the letters in the form that used in Arab countries, and of course, we're going to learn the pronunciation. So the next one is اثنان, اثنان. But اثنان is a little bit tricky because it depends on the position of it in the phrase. Okay, if it's in the beginning, it will be اثنان, okay, اثنان. But if it's, for example, after a preposition, it will be اثنين, اثنين. It's the same word, but this letter can be changed from alif to ya according to the case system. So according to the position of the word in the phrase. Okay, but don't care about this. You have just to know that اثنان and اثنين are just two forms for the same word that tells us that this is number two. Okay, اثنان, two of something. Okay, and it's written like this. So this is how it's written in Arab countries. Okay, the next one is ثلاثة, ثلاثة. Here the tha, I know the letter is not a little bit tricky, but okay, it's ثلاثة, ثلاثة. Okay, and this is how it's written in Arabic. It's like the seam, you know, like this. So this is how the number is written actually. You can find this maybe on the written on cars and other things, but this is how and invoices if you're having business in the Middle East. So this is how to write number 3. Okay, number 4 is أربعة, أربعة. Okay, أربعة. Okay, and it's written like this. Okay, 4 like this. Okay, the next one is خمسة, خمسة. Okay, خمسة. Okay, 5. But it's when it's written in the form of a number, it's like 0 in English. خمسة. Okay, the next one is ستة, ستة. ستة means 6, number 6, and it's written like this. Okay, as a number. The next one is سبعة, سبعة, 7, and it's written like this as a number. Okay, سبعة, 7. 8 is ثمانية, ثمانية. Here, because here, as we discussed in the alphabet video, that alif is a long vowel, so it's ثمانية. It's not ثمانية, it's ثمانية. Okay, and it's written like this. Okay, like a mirror of 7. تسعة, the next one, تسعة. Okay, is 9, تسعة, and it's written like this. Okay, the same, almost the same. تسعة, 9. عشرة. Okay, it's 1 and 0 because 0 is just a dot in Arabic. So عشرة, 10. صفر, 0 is written like this, and it's صفر, صفر. Here there is sukun over the fa, so it's صفر, صفر, 0. Okay, thank you for watching and see you in other videos.